Nagai kebalaban ong bakade kejingyak turmur kan National Testing Agency NTA kebapnya ke Eksamin National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test NEET Undergraduate arajar pusau ya kebalaban long hagasni ublai ke santrik ujemang arajar pusau katukan ni kena apule kilahap benjenjar na kejing bakla ki set ha ki Jingkylli bak gila syam biklatho ha ka paper set ke bamdai kat gum ke center jengki kani ke center kedai hak Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh ke distrik Ribhoi. Kini kena apuli kletu bakila yo arset ki Jingkylli kawai nak State Bank of India bat kawai nak Canara Bank. Kletu shushu baki yo opor lai kenta banto ek eksamin bat dai hadian bakila sedang banto bat andalaya chikenta shteng ai lepentep ba kawai ni set jong ke Jingkylli ke bakla bat kem dai syuk ban beteng banto. Kini kena akilo ong bagane kalau syupulan ai ke por jongki. Lakat taru ya kawai pat kaset ke badai kaba ki haban pendap. Haipod balengkot kim la syuk ban pendap. Kilo ong bagi hab banto nak bentah news pa arpo marks bat kim syumlayo opor syuk bat kila hab ban mi no nak jakato eksamin da kejing sengusi bat bon kilayam namar kane kejing bakla ke bamdai naki. Kikme kikpa ke belas ngo bitar halor kane kila lech sya ka jakato eksamin bandawa beriban ailat biang yaki banto. Habakran gilat patai kubor ikong WK bla ibede iwe naki representative jong ka center tho eksamin. Ile tu bagi board penyat ka Alpha English Higher Secondary School kelas ngo komen banyo center bagi jing itu nak NTA. Namar bagi kena pulih kila kamjan ke jakaya le eksamin. Nrekim shemala ban shonglut ya baru ki orientation program jong ke NTA la no tangki program orientation ke belakang online. Ban pun krea ya ke eksamin NEET. Ilong bagi jing yo ki arset ki Jingkylli nak State Bank of India ban nak Canara Bank kalapun Kulmar ki. Kila persyang menekran bagi bor penyat ke NTA Henry kala long len ai. Ilio opat menekran bat u director Vijay Kumar menetho ya kejing bakla. Haka Henry terik ujemang arajar arpusau ki kimi kipa kilawan biang ben ujor bat kila tho aski bor penyat ke NTA New Delhi ban ailat biang ki honjoki ban le biang ya kene ke eksamin.
Nongpoh ni kisam atli ke paper haka juga por. Te habang ikli ki kano bangin de banthok ki ong banthok lang baro al te ngila kali hi ban ong ban banthok shwa ka eru ki ong thok lang baro al tingir ngi thok lang baro al ke ki don ki banthok shwa ka to ka badai don ki banthok shwa ka bomdai begitu ki bom banthok pade ka bomdai pat kilo ki shwan ong no pat hamar siteng jong ka exam bakam deir ka to thok no ka to ka ba r1 te kom nongin thok pat ban pendap ya ka to hamar siteng jong ka exam baru ka por kin ai खंडियात भाग एक्स्ट्रा यांगी
उन लोगों ने इन्विजिलेटर ने पहले 2 पेपर दिया 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर फिर उन लोगों ने हम लोगों ने पूछा कि ये 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर से कौन सा करना है तो उन लोगों ने बोला कि हमें नहीं पता हमें बस उतना इंस्ट्रक्शन मिला है कि दोनों करना है तो ठीक है हम लोगों ने दोनों कर लिया मुझे 2 क्वेश्चन पेपर मिला था एक था S1 और एक था 02 तो मैंने पहले किया 02 को तो 02 मेरा आधा हो चुका था आफ्टर 1.5 आवर वो लोग बोला कि ये 02 को नहीं करना है S1 को करना है तो मेरे पास बचा टाइम सिर्फ 1.5 आवर था तो 1.5 आवर में तो उतना 720 मार्क्स कंप्लीट करना बहुत मुश्किल था
that NTA to consider the student yesterday who have exam here in Alpha Higher Secondary School but because they don't get the same opportunity like other center examination because they miss more than 2 hours for the NEET exam. It is impossible to complete within 1 hour 20 minutes to complete 720 marks.
Hai abai dei ba katai jingjak ba la jahnin long ba hadin ba ki khna kilami da exam kadan ke jing ayam ke jing sursi sene sabar te habang la tabak jingmut matkli I balai bala ja kumta nagal yang ki ong bang kilami on pandap lut panthok de exam namar ba ga jaka ba kapor kan long lai kanta na banta news pa format kia bana te mang jing sha khat saus pa sang format te anda bang la kli bai ni khna ki ong ba don gi ba thok da kata ka arwon kabade kane ka wei ba don gi ba thok da kane ka artu kane ka de ka arwon kane ka de ka n2 te ki khna hang sedang gila thok da kane ka ping kabade ka n2 gila jandap mo gila thok da kane ka n2 gila jandap almost complete te siteng ni ta ka porpat ina yang ni ki bot nya yang nen kat instructor ki ong ba kane kam de shu cancel no ba thok ba de da kane ka arwon te ha ka por ba gila sedang thok ina ka arwon pat ka por ga langkot talak yo por satang ko maskin tai te nagal yang ni ki ai por tang ar minit men penda banto news pa ako mak tang sikenta ar minit kalong ka ba than ni khna Jadi nai tai tahu hadin bal awai kata jing lang kan du i principal ang ne te principal i ong ba kamle ki jing bakalan le khnang namar ba na kalyang jong ki bor ba dei pha na NTA ki pha art li ki set kata ka we na Canara Bank ka ba dei ne ba na SBI ka ba dei ne ka ba stem ne te kila cancel no bat kila ong kumta ba dei ne i khna te hai ta ipor balangkot ngilawan kan du i mla on sim no ka destination mo te kane ki priang bat kane ki cancel te habang ilai kendu i principal i mla ban ai kano ka clarification habi dei bat kira ki fina.
Then we had prepared. Of course, we did not get to go for the orientation program call to Delhi because it was not possible. Short notice they had given, and we are not free also to go there. And then number two is that we had tried to go for orientation online, but the thing is always full. We really did not get literally. So with the number of institutions that they have, the centers all over the country. So what happened is we had strictly read the guidelines given by the NTA. We had followed strictly by those, and there was nowhere in the guideline that we will be given 2 sets of questions. And so we informed the Deputy Commissioner. He had appointed a magistrate to follow an order. He had written to the SP for security, and then for all uninterrupted supply of power and the Wi-Fi connection and all of that stuff. They were very helpful and supportive, and then we were happy. And then on Friday, the SBI branch manager called me and said, "Ma'am, you can come and collect the NTA parcel on Sunday, 1 hour before exams." I said, "Fine, okay, 1 o'clock I'll come." And then Saturday he sent a message. He said, "As per NTA guidelines, you can collect even at 9 o'clock. So we don't want to keep the people for too long in the bank." And then so I said, "Okay, fine, I'll come and collect at 9 o'clock on Sunday morning." Then yesterday morning, that was Sunday, I got a call from the branch manager of the Canara Bank, and he said, "Ma'am, there's a parcel for you in connection with NTA NEET exams." I said, "Okay." Being the first time, I thought I had just to go and collect it. So went and collected the parcel from the Canara Bank as well. So we came here. I think the box could not be opened until 1:15, and so like that. And then after opening the box, everything was set. The biometric team had come. Frisking was done. All of that thing. The rooms were set and all. And then we opened the box, and what happened is we found both the boxes, and we found that there are 2 sets of questions of 720 marks each. So we said maybe since I tried calling the director of NTA, sending message to them. Absolutely, I find that there's such lack of communication from their side. So then I said maybe the students who had gone for coaching, I think they know that they will be getting 2 sets, and maybe the easier one they'll choose, and then they'll submit accordingly. And then when the exam started, and then about another 1.5 hour, 1 hour plus, I got somehow to call the thing, because I checked with the attendance sheet, the sheet of the students. I think there's only one place to fill up the khata, the thing. So I said I should somehow get the message. I called some people from NTA who are they said, "No, we are not in the exams. Exam people will know." So somehow I got the director, Mr. Vijay Kumar. I got him and he said, "Oh," he just said, "you should have given the SBI question bank." I said, "So we didn't know."
Which is the correct one?
Maybe, according to him. We didn't know because we got 2 boxes. Nobody had told us that do this or do that. But then whatever it is, we had served the SBI set of questions first. Then after sometimes we give the Canara Bank set of questions. And then I think then afterwards when I got about 1 hour plus, I got the director. Then he said, "Oh, you gave only the SBI one," like that. Then I said, "Okay." Then we went back, collected the papers of the Canara. box, so to say. Let me just say that to make it simpler. So we had collected them, but some students had done that first. Okay, so then others, they had started with State Bank. Not all of them are thing. They had just, we gave the first one, they had gone.
According to the trees.
Yes, yes. And then when when time came, like 5:30 and all that, I said, okay, we made some. There was a slight confusion there a bit, so we'll give them extended time. So I went to the rooms and I just said, okay, it's time for us to close. That was before 6 o'clock. It's time for us to close, but let's do it, because I think none of them stood up and say, ma'am or sir, we have not completed. It would have been very nice if students had stood up and say, ma'am, we have not done. Okay, maybe they're scared or confused, quoting that. Also, I cannot blame the students. But the thing is, NTA should have given a strict instruction or whatever. Communication is so much lacking. Till now, we don't know what to do with the box that's already here, packed. Yes, we had done all videography, we had done photography, everything's done. And I apologize to the parents from the center side because of the kind of a slight hitch there. It was not intentional. We actually, as a center, we want to help our own people in this area, and we are very happy to serve. And we look forward to NTA having more communication with all the centers. And I think there are other centers which made more previous mistake.
Yes.
In fact, as it is, which is very sad. So we have the parents here who had come just now, the delegation of parents and some students, and they wanted us to like communicate with NTA whether they can sit and resit for the exams, the same exams or not. So for us, we want to help. If NTA allows, we can conduct the exams again anytime.
From your statement, you are trying to communicate.
So I told the parents, I said, write an application of some sort, a memorandum of some sort, because unless they write, I cannot forward anything, I cannot communicate anything. So they have to give me in official, an official memorandum and say like that happened, and that's what they wanted. So the same thing I will communicate with NTA, the city coordinator, which I don't know who is. Yes.
Okay.
And the ones who had come here from NTA are not for the exams. They had come just for the preparing arrangement. Yeah.
Takane pi kala pynlong ki kimi ki pa pynlong artatin bakane ka jing conduct ene ka exam nang bakane ka NTA kala long ka jing bomhon kala long on fairments mo kala long jing bomhon te bang ta bat kalawe jang ki khna hawe de baka pule dang le jang ki kala long ka ka pop lagi pop ke bas new tam mal bangimla ban ya sacrifice de bat ka future jang ki khna te lengba jang ki ne inten te nang liang jang ni ngilai kendu ya imam bangilai rai lang menta ban da ka we ki jing mut rangkat I madam nang ne badai sentar kut bat mangi ki kimi pa jong ki ne khna bangin hak segi bor de pet rangkat ki sigina shau jing khna school ne ki khna ele kene NEET bakin san bat thok I kerteng baki school jing